Unlocking the potential for real transformation in your life requires a deliberate shift in focus. This video holds the key to catalyzing that change, serving as a pivotal moment where your trajectory shifts. The insights within can reverberate for years, marking a journey of remarkable progress. To truly harness this potential, commit to a singular action. Immerse yourself fully in the video's content. While many may passively watch, the true catalyst for change will seize the moment, dedicating their undivided attention. Engage with intentionality. Maximize your viewing experience by going full screen, stowing away distractions like your phone. Your commitment to this moment could be the spark that ignites profound transformation. Let's get into personal transformation. In the realm of self-improvement, there is a roadmap outlined by 5 essential steps, each a cornerstone in the edifice of change. Picture this. A teenager, once trapped in the clutches of procrastination, now stands up as a testament to the power of disciplined action after overcoming the arduous path to success in business. These steps, used as tools in the hands of a master craftsman, have the power to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. An archetypal teenager, bound by the ephemeral allure of social media and digital entertainment. However, within this story lies the potential for perversion. Through the lens of these steps, one's life trajectory can be redirected toward higher aspirations. No longer a mere spectator to the sudden changes of fate, one becomes the architect of one's own destiny. In the challenge of this transformational journey, the first step is crucial: cultivating the habit of excellence. Just as the act of brushing your teeth marks the dawn of each day, these empowering rituals also create a foundation for personal growth. It is through the relentless pursuit of these daily practices that the seeds of greatness are planted. As we embark on this adventure of self-discovery, may we do so with unwavering determination, knowing that the journey itself holds the promise of unprecedented riches, not least in material wealth, but also in endless personal satisfaction. Let's start with habit mastery, a journey that promises profound changes. But before we discover the secrets to controlling our habits, let's distinguish which habits deserve our attention. As it turns out, habits can be divided into 2 distinct groups: those that provide immediate gratification and those that promise delayed rewards. In this dichotomy, there is a fundamental truth, a very important lesson. The habit of immediate gratification brings immediate rewards, satisfying our desires in the present moment. However, over time, they secretly erode the fabric of our lives. Consider the appeal of scrolling through social media, a quick fix for boredom that ultimately erodes our ability to focus on meaningful tasks. On the other hand, the habit of delaying gratification requires patience and perseverance, but brings significant rewards in the long run. While the effort may seem daunting at first, engaging in activities like reading nonfiction books nourishes our minds and helps us make informed decisions. The crux of the matter lies in rebalancing our daily habits to prioritize delayed gratification over immediate indulgence. It's about consciously investing our time and energy in activities that enrich our lives instead of depleting them. And therein lies the essence of mastery, a set of secret techniques for seamlessly integrating these delayed gratification habits into our daily rituals, like the act of brushing our teeth on a regular basis. Learn about the mechanics of habit formation first, finding strategies designed to promote lasting change. The path to success requires 2 essential steps: consistency and simplicity. Picture this: spend just 5 minutes every morning meditating, easily complete 20 push-ups, and invest just 10 minutes into focused work or study. This trio of habits, seemingly modest in scope, has the power to reshape our lives. It only takes 20 days for our brains to adapt to a new behavior. But here's the thing: the amount of time spent on these habits is not important. The key lies in their simplicity. By minimizing the barrier to entry, we pave the way for sustained compliance beyond the 20-day critical threshold. So here's the game plan. Carve out a dedicated time in your daily schedule for meditation, push-ups, and focused work. Commit to these activities with unwavering dedication, knowing that each repetition will bring you one step closer to incorporating them into your daily routine. and as time passes, gradually lengthen the duration of each habit, confident in your ability to adapt and grow. Second, to personal transformation, threads of influence weave a complex story of change. In this complex web, we find ourselves entangled in both positive stimuli and stores of knowledge, each of which has a subtle yet profound impact on the trajectory of our lives. In the digital age, where screens serve as windows to the world, the content we consume becomes a mirror of our beliefs, aspirations, and sense of possibility. The top content we interact with regularly shapes our thoughts, attitudes, and opinions as strongly as our closest friends and family. Whether it's the stories we immerse ourselves in or the voices we allow to permeate our consciousness, every interaction leaves an indelible mark on our souls. So, in our quest for personal growth and empowerment, let us be wise in our choices. Let us seek out inspiring stories, illuminating wisdom, and uplifting voices. Whether it's the pages of a compelling book or the insights shared by a charismatic YouTuber, let's surround ourselves with stories of triumph, resilience, and human potential. However, in the midst of managing these intentional influences, let us not forget the foundation of our journey: mindset. For it is in the fertile soil of our beliefs and attitudes that the seeds of transformation take root and flourish. Third, our life trajectory is significantly influenced by our mental health, an aspect that is often overlooked amid the noise of daily life. Although it may seem trivial or insignificant, ignoring this important aspect can hinder our progress and hinder our potential for growth. Yet therein lies the paradox. It is the belief that mental health is trivial that perpetuates a cycle of stagnation for many people. Consider this. Our mental state profoundly affects our performance, whether in academic pursuits or business endeavors. When hampered by mental health problems, our ability to excel is diminished and our joy of life is diminished. On the contrary, cultivating a sense of satisfaction and happiness becomes a catalyst for tapping into our full potential. But how do we cultivate this elusive state of happiness? The answer lies in a seemingly simple practice that requires just 5 minutes every morning, but has profound results: keeping a gratitude journal. Scientifically proven to lift mood and foster a sense of happiness, this exercise involves jotting down a few things we are grateful for each day, getting us into an appreciation and style mindset rich. Every morning, pick up your diary and write. Although this practice may initially seem strange or even humorous, its transformative power is nothing short of remarkable. When we commit to this exercise day after day, a subtle change happens within us. Gradually, our minds become attuned to the abundance around us and gratitude becomes second nature. Indeed, the beauty of this method lies in its simplicity. By acknowledging the blessings in our lives, no matter how small, we prepare our minds for positivity and resilience. Soon, the once ancient concept of gratitude will permeate our daily experience, infusing each moment with a sense of joy and contentment. Many factors contribute to driving change, but one aspect that is often overlooked is our sense of purpose and mission, which is also the fourth factor. What is our reason for existence? What unique contribution do we intend to make to this world? These questions may seem daunting, and it's completely normal to not have an immediate answer. Take time to reflect, go deep into the corners of your soul, and discover the desires that lie dormant inside. If there were no limits to what you could achieve, what would you strive for? Imagine a world where every dream you cherish can come true. That's a powerful thought, isn't it? This exercise in boundless imagination is more than mere fantasy. It is an important step in discovering our true purpose. Allow yourself to dream without constraints. Let your aspirations soar to the highest level, unbound by doubt or fear. Because it is through daring to dream that we discover the path to our purpose and ultimate fulfillment. And finally, take action. Armed with new knowledge and understanding, you possess the tools to create real change in your life. However, this important step is often elusive for many people. While the lure of inspiration may linger, it is action that will propel us forward on the path of transformation. Consider this. Just watching this video and nodding your head in agreement is not enough. Real change requires a willingness to step outside our comfort zone and embrace the difficulties of growth. It's about making a conscious choice to break free from the inertia of procrastination and take decisive action. In this moment, you hold the power to determine the trajectory of your life. Will you allow this video to be a fleeting source of motivation, or will you seize the opportunity to chart a new course? The choice is yours. Remember, change starts with a single step. A step that may feel uncomfortable but ultimately leads to satisfaction. So dare to take that step, for it is by action that the seeds of transformation are sown. Your fate is in your hands.